Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all curry lovers and spice enthusiastic. Today we are taking a delicious trip to North India with a recipe of a classic comfort food, spicy North Indian chicken curry. This isn't your average chicken curry. We are using a fragrant blend of North Indian spices that will tantalize your taste buds with a symphony of flavors, warm, earthy and coarse, a touch of heat. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1 kg chicken cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then take a mixer jar. Add 4 tomatoes. Add 2 onions. Add 5 green chilies, 3-inch ginger, 10 garlic cloves and 1/3 cup water. Then blend this to a paste. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add 3 tablespoons mustard oil and fry the marinated chicken. Fry it until it is nice and golden brown color. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add the onion and tomato paste which was previously made and then cook this for about 2 minutes. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, add some salt to taste, add 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon kitchen king masala, 1 tablespoon garam masala and then give this a nice mix and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes on a medium to low heat. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves, add 1 stock cube, add 2 tablespoon ghee. Then cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium to low flame. Then add the fried chicken and then give this a nice mix. Then add 1.5 cup water, add some salt to taste and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and boil it for about 15 minutes. So as you can see the curry is perfectly cooked. Then give this a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a steaming pot of North Indian spicy chicken curry ready to warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Look at that vibrant red color and those tender chicken pieces swimming in a fragrant and flavorful gravy. Every bite is an explosion of North Indian spices, warm, earthy and just the right amount of heat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious Indian recipes like this one. If you are looking for a milder version, simply adjust the amount of chili powder to your preference. difference. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra layer of depth, you can marinate the chicken in yogurt and spices before cooking. Now go forth and spice up your dinner routine with this authentic North Indian spicy chicken curry. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.